show you how to edit my rainbow baby drawer labels that you purchased through my Etsy shop. Now, within 5 minutes of your purchase, you should get an email from Corjl with the order number and also a link on how to access this template. Now, if you've never had Corjl before, you do need to sign up with your email that you used when you ordered the template in my shop, and also set up a password. So when you get into Corjl, you should have it looking like this. You get the template here, and then you also get the instruction on how to edit the text, save and download it to your computer. Now this is not yours, it's mine, my other purchase that I've included to test it. And I click on the template that you want to use, and you want to change swaddle, just highlight swaddle, and you can go to text here, box, and just change it. You can change here the color. These are my preset colors that I created using all the rainbow designs. You can do that to match with the rainbow, or you can just play around and just click on the different color, and you could go here to pink, go to yellow. So that's how you do that, changing the colors. You can also change the style of your text. So you want to drop shadow, you can change the color of the drop shadow. You can also do stroke. Oh, very, whoa, that's quite impressive. All right, so you can do that, and you can just play around with all the other options. Outer glow, see what outer glow is. I think you have to probably, yeah, get rid of, just see something else to see outer glow. Outer glow is not as, see, outer glow is like that, and then you got drop shadow and then stroke. Those might be the options that I would use, if anything. Let me just change this to back. You could also just highlight this and type in the word. Now you could also change the text itself into something else. Just bear in mind that it will change the size, so you might have to adjust the sizing right here. So if you want it bigger, you can do that, or you can have it smaller. You can even type it in like that. Okay, so that's the first rainbow design. You can move it around, you can have it here if you like, and then you can add something else in the middle. Now if you want to add another text, let's say you want bibs, and then you want to add another text, you can type it here. Let's see, we don't want it all caps. You can do from here, move it up. So you can move it around your text. Okay, and then once again we can change this, we can change the color. So that's if you want to add another text. You can also add image, like just drop it in here. Let's say you want a cute little image over here of your kid, or you want an image of maybe some bibs. You can do that as well, just simply by clicking add image and then drop your picture in here and putting into the template. So this is the first rainbow design. We have 8. So here you see here it says 1, so this is the second page, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. So let's say you go back to the first page or the first design, and you like this rainbow and you want to make another label with the same design. So you just go here to duplicate, and you see how the number changed to 9, even though you didn't really see anything changing here, but it has changed. So let's say go back to number 8. So you like this one and you want to duplicate it. See, now it's 10. So if you go back, here's socks, and here's socks again. So that's number 10. And then change it to let's see, building blocks. So you can create not just for the nursery or the drawers, clothing drawers, but also for playroom, garage, maybe snow tools. And then same thing, change the color. See, sometimes it does it and sometimes it doesn't. That's the glitch. I think that happens sometimes. Just remember to save your changes, okay, because I don't want you to do lots of labels and then have it get lost, because sometimes with any kind of tools there are little glitches. Like sometimes I'll do this and I can't change the color somehow, and that's not because I can't. You see, now I can't change it somehow, so I might have to refresh. So once I refresh, let's see if I get the same, because I saved it. So I did save changes, so you see how it did save my changes. So you do need to save often if you don't want to lose your work, just like anything on the computer, really. All right, now once you're done and you're happy with everything, you can download it here. Now you have several options. You can download as a PDF or as a JPEG. I recommend the PDF because PDF has the highest printing quality and when you're printing at home. So click next, and you have several download design options. You can print all the pages, and if you click on print multiples per page if possible, then it'll fit as many as it can into one page. So, and you have several options of paper. So letter is the most common one in America, and here is your option to just print one page, one design. And if I unclick that, uncheck it, I get just one. And now you're probably thinking, I don't know where to cut it. So you do show trim mark, and the trim mark the cutting line will show up. Now you don't need to show bleed. The only time you use bleed is when your background, let's say the background is all pink or some flowery patterns, or several unicorn wallpaper or something pattern, and you want to cut it within the pattern and not to have those little white cut borders around it. So that's when you use show trim mark, but this is all white, so you can uncheck that. It doesn't matter if you have it really, but just uncheck because you don't need it really. So you can just have one, or you can do multiples. Now if you do multiples, since you're just printing the one design, it will print the same one over and over again, and how many fit onto that one page. If you do all, it says here, it will still do the same for every designs that you have. Remember, we added 2 more, so now we have 10 pages. Now if you want different design on one page, you do tile different designs. So now you have all of them, and 2 on this page because we did 10. So it's 8 labels on one page and then 2 on the second page. And then all you have to do now is click download PDF and then save it onto your computer. And once you do that, your download will go down. So we had 7, it'll go down to 6. So you have 10 downloads in total. Now you can add as many labels, I believe, as you like, because I don't think Corjl has a limit unless I believe I set it up, but I don't think I set up any. I didn't set up any. Not I don't think, but I didn't set any. And so you can just keep on duplicating, and if you don't like, see, I just duplicate number 10 and now it's page 11, you can just delete it, the artboard, okay? And that's it. That's how you do it. Now I recommend printing out on cardstock, and if you want, you can print it out on regular paper and then laminate it to have it sturdier and maybe last longer and not get dirty. Or you can print it on photo paper, double-sided photo paper, so you don't get those little branding on the other side of the photo. It's just photo paper, and depending on your printer would get you a more vibrant print outcome. So that's what I recommend. So thank you, and thank you for purchasing my labels. Have a good day.